Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys today, we're going to explain if you guys have a Chevy GMC, okay, GMC or Buick guys, and you have one of the following transmissions. Okay, 60-30, 60-35, 60-40, 60-45 or 60-50 guys. That transmission is being used on so many 4-cylinders and even some small 6-cylinder engines guys. And you experience hard shift, okay, shift that shouldn't be so sudden, okay, we'll explain what could cause that. Now let me guys first introduce you to the channel where we have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get. And please check out the playlist below. All we need in return guys, like, subscribe, and let us know in the comment section if the video was helpful to you. We'll guys try to save you as much money as we can by providing these videos. So, we have that Chevy Cruze guys, and as I said, that transmission in different sizes, but the same designs being used on so many Chevy, GMC, okay, and Buick vehicles. Now, if you guys experience hard shifts, we'll explain the most common causes for that. And I think it will be probably about four causes. One of them guys is worn out transmission fluid. Why? Okay, this car has only 37,000 miles. Check out guys the transmission fluid. Okay, that doesn't seem right to me. Okay, that transmission fluid is way dirtier, okay, than most of the transmissions we've serviced. Okay, and I noticed that other Chevy people complain about the same thing. So guys, okay, replace that thing, change that transmission fluid. I would recommend that you do it every 30,000 miles. Now, this is reason number one, worn out fluid. Reason number two guys, okay, this is your transmission solenoid body here. This is what's controlling in some part the shifting of your transmission. And this is your engine computer here as well. First, the transmission computer doesn't go bad so often guys. Sometimes it needs to be updated, but not so often. But those solenoids guys, okay, they're replaceable. We have the video on the channel. Sometimes they'll get dirty, sometimes they'll be sticking, and as a result, a sticking solenoid means either a hard shifting or slipping shifting. Okay, you have an idea like it's a really hard shift, or if the solenoid malfunction, or it will take a while for the car to shift, and then all of a sudden it will kick in. Now this is reason number two guys. Okay, reason number three, okay, let me explain right here now, is the valve body of the transmission. The valve body guys, you have little bitty valves inside that control the shifting as well. Once the solenoid is activated, the transmission fluid will go through a certain canal, and that canal guys, okay, leads to a certain piston. You have little bitty pistons, I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5, 6, 7, 8 pistons inside. And if you have a sticking piston guys, as a result, okay, you will have hard shifting as well. So that could be reason number three. Okay, reason number four guys, okay, is burnt clutch. And you hope that this is not the case because you will need new transmission. But the most common ones, it's either the solenoid or the valve body and transmission fluid itself. Those are the three most common ones. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.